is up, guys? What is up, guys? Ako nga pala to. Ako nga po pala to si Rauko. At maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Hell's Kitchen. Kasama ko ngayon ang aking mga kaibigan.
Okay. Ako na defending champion.
Siya. Okay, nanalo din ako, kuya ko. Pero, syempre, humble pa din po ako. Actually, hindi ko inaano eh.
Narap ako 2 times. Ako si Aaron Gordon ng Slam Dunk.
Actually, guys, ako humble lang ako. Kahit nanalo ako, di ko siya sa...
Okay, ito na.
Okay, yes, chef. Okay, chef. Okay, yes, chef. Yes, chef. Okay.
Gago, tatay ko to ah.
Okay, okay. No problem.
I'll start by splitting you into 2 teams.
Okay.
Yes, chef.
These are your
Yun na
teams.
nga.
Don't get too comfortable.
Hoy, gago.
Okay,
Magkakalato dito.
Okay, kasi
Your
Enrico.
opportunity to demonstrate
Tayo.
Jeff, drugin na natin. Alam mo na.
Okay. Actually, I've been cooking since I was a little kid eh. Actually, I got this...
Okay, pantry, Jeff. Pantry dito. Sundan mo lang ako.
Okay.
Sundan mo lang ako.
Okay. Pindot.
Sundan mo lang
Okay
ako.
na. Nice one.
Sundan mo ako. Chopboard.
Takbo.
Huwag nyo na subukan.
Anong gagawin ko? Chop. Paano yung chop?
Yung knife, yung mouse, gano'n mo.
Putang ina.
tonight.
Anong gagawin ko? Okay na, mix na ako. Anong gagawin ko?
Araw ka!
Sundan mo yung sa taas.
Fry.
Okay na, pre.
Hindi, yung mga magagaling kasi kalmado lang eh. Kalmado lang ako.
Pindot ko. Ano nang gagawin ko? Fry.
Okay to?
Check mo nga yun sa taas.
No current steps. Ano na?
Hintay mo na lang mag-fry. Yes!
Nasaan na? Ano
Ay.
yung pinafry ko?
Okay! Thank you.
Tanggalin mo. Wag mo yan masunog, Jeep.
Okay na.
Jeff? Wag ka na maglaro.
Assemble.
Lalagay mo.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sir, dito.
Natalo ako, pre.
Bakit an meron?
Bigla akong napindot yung mouse ko, biglang kinuha yung scallops.
Okay, hanggat panalo tayo, pre.
Wala,
Ang tagal
pre.
ng isa. Uy, tagal nyo dyan.
Okay, tapos na kami. Bali, tapos na.
Talo ko.
Hindi, kaya ito.
Well done. You've reached the end. Let's see how you did.
Okay.
Okay, ako highest.
Bakit 107 ako?
Red
Bakit ganun?
team.
Wala kang kasalanan
ako, pre.
doon. Ay, wala kang
Nag-joke
kasalanan
ako, pre.
doon.
Joke ako.
Why you guys selling the game?
Yeah.
Lowest score, gago.
Tina Jack and chicken
Uy,
nugget.
pa si Boss Poison Lord.
Wala na, pre. Ubus na kayo. Hidong kayo nagkakamali.
Sorry,
Hinuhay niyo ako.
Okay.
Ano yun? Nagvo-vote kayo?
It's time to leave or log off.
Wala na. Tapos na kayo. Binuhay niyo pa ako.
We're not going home.
Dishwasher, dish dash. Ano gagawin, pre? Game na.
Okay.
Game na.
Oh. Eh, gago. Nahulog ako.
Okay, nasa taas na ako, pre. Ano gagawin ko?
Puta! Okay lang, ina. Weakness ko to, pre. Parkour eh. Wait lang, wala. Araw ko!
Tangin ang bilis ni Enrico.
Gago pa na umalis. Putang ina mo!
Ay, parang tanga lang. Wait lang.
Nahulog ako.
Uy, ba't ka nandito?
Ina, pre, paano ako alis dito, boy? Parang nasta ako sa ladder.
Yes!
Okay.
Alam mo naman eh. Ganun talaga. Ay!
Paano kayo umakyat? Spill the tea.
Yes!
Uy!
Yes! I'm winning! You know, like, this is an easy game.
Wala.
I'm here.
You fuck.
Meanwhile,
Paano yun? Paano kayo umakyat?
Secret!
Wow, gatekeeper.
May ladder doon.
I think, can I recruit you, bro? Bro, can I recruit you, bro?
Recruit saan?
Yeah, I think you're good in this game.
Yes, bro.
Okay.
Yes, me too. I'm part of the army.
Araw ka!
I was part of the army. You know, the navy.
Service.
Okay, ito na, Chef.
Yes, chef.
You're performing a symphony.
Okay, yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Yes, Chef. A symphony. I know a symphony.
I know this, chef.
Smiling.
Alam ko to eh.
Actually, chef, ever since I was a kid, chef, I've been doing this eh.
Okay, mamaya na yung ever since. Okay. Bilis ko ka. Sa totoo lang.
Alright. Chop, ladies. Okay. Mix na tayo, no?
Okay.
Okay, boil.
Okay na yan.
Okay, serve na,
Okay,
serve.
blend.
Asan yung mix, puta?
That looks amazing.
Fuck
Great
up.
technique.
Sige, mix.
Huwag nyo to tignan mga bata. Masama to. Hindi dapat to ginagawa sa normal na tao, ha?
Assemble na pala ako.
Free.
Oh,
Okay po, ito na. Ito na. Okay.
Nailing this challenge.
Thank you, chef.
Yes, Chef.
Top of the class.
I know, Chef.
Amazing.
Yes. Thank you. Sige, mix.
Ay, ulit na pala to.
Chef, I'll chop, chef. Okay, yes. Okay, chef. Okay. Mix.
Of course, chef.
Mix tayo, chef. Mix tayo.
Yes, Chef. Let's go.
I'm done mixing, chef. Ay, meron pa isa po. Okay na. Wait lang.
Sige, mix. No
Okay
problem,
na
chef.
to. Okay na to. Wait lang. Try natin.
Yes, Chef.
Okay,
Thank you,
good.
chef.
Cod fritters ready to serve.
They're loving your food.
Thank you, chef. Thank you, chef. I work hard for the food. The food is really tasty because of what I did, right? Okay, chef, I'll chop.
Gagong, taas ng score nila.
Huwag ka ma-intimidate, boy. Ano lang yan eh. Ano yan, years of mastery yan, boy. Okay. Isa pa.
Yung isa lakti, no?
Sige, gano'n mo.
Isa pa. Okay. Hintay ko na lang to.
May timer ba to?
Okay, lamb kofta ready,
You're
chef.
mastering.
Rating, chef, done.
Yes, chef.
Chef's ready to serve, chef. I'm serving it now, chef.
Impressive.
Thank you, Chef. No problem.
Thank you, chef. Chopping, chef. I'm gonna chop, chef. Okay.
Let's go.
Thank you, chef. Thank you. That compliment is really helping me get through this.
Just the top
Okay.
performers left. No pressure.
Okay.
Gago si Enrico. Putang ina
The
nyo.
blue team.
Ano yan?
Ang lakas mo naman,
Gago,
pre.
Jeep. Score yan, Jeep.
Bakit? Malakas score ko ah. Oh, bakit mataas
Ang palo mo naman, Enrico. Kaya pala di ka nagsasalita.
Bobo kasi mga kampi natin eh. Okay, guys, pep talk. Come here, guys. Pep talk. Hello.
Gago, nakikita niyo ba yung level ko? Culinary protege na tol.
Pre, mataas na kami, pre. O, game na to!
Chef, okay, chef. Wala man lang intro ha. Putay na, walang intro ha. Tabak agad ah.
Enrico.
Lakas yung sinaming ko, pre.
Si Enrico, ano na yan? Playing Forsaken na naman yan. Uy, pre!
Carlo! Gago tol.
Biglang si Jeff yung magiging champion, ano? Mapipi ko talaga si Enrico dyan.
Looks amazing.
Pero magka-crash out ako pag ulit.
Hindi na ako nagsasalita oh.
There you go. You get it.
Magka-crash out ako pag si Jeff na lang. Jeff, ikaw na naman!
Nice one.
Of course. I got this! It's okay, team!
Araw ko! Third ako. Go, guys.
Hindi yung importante ang magwagi. Ang importante ay bahagi.
I have to say, I'm impressed.
Okay.
Araw
Salamat
ka!
naman.
Uy.
Arauca! Chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets. Sorry.
Don't
may
kick chicken
meron-
nugget, please.
Sorry, meron ako plant dito eh.
Uy, may tie.
Hindi. Ako yung papasok, guys. Ah! Lucky,
Ano na, wala eh.
bahagi. Sorry.
Chicken nugget, bye-bye, chicken nugget.
Sorry.
Sige, Mix.